I'm talking to Pierre-Jean Beylier, better known as PJ, the CEO of Speedcast. PJ, we're talking to you a few days after a major success with Intelsat. Tell us all about this.
We've announced an exciting partnership with Intelsat. Speedcast has experienced tremendous growth in its global maritime business. Our global Ku-band network is growing from strength to strength, and we thought it was strategic for us to rely on the best networks available out there. Intelsat has a great fleet of satellite and also a terrestrial network that we can leverage to strengthen our global maritime network. So we're very excited about this new development, and we look forward to probably extending such a strategic partnership approach to a few other satellite operators in order to further develop our network.
And this is really all about connectivity through broadband and mobility.
Yes, it is. Mobility is becoming a growingly important part of our business, mostly maritime, but we're also doing more in aero with our partner Panasonic Avionics. We're also seeing a growing sales in land mobility, especially in Australia, where we have become a major player. So in general, mobility is definitely a key growth engine for the group, and we plan to continue investing in that area.
Talking of growth engines, you guys are a growth engine, aren't you? You've had an incredible 12 months. Take us through some of the highlights.
Yeah, well, we've spent the past 12 months, first of all, integrating a number of companies that we had acquired. So Electricom satellite services in the Netherlands, which was merged together with Speedcast Maritime business, and has really changed our profile in the maritime industry. We're really viewed now as a global player, and we're starting to see the results of that with some very exciting wins. Australia Satellite Communications and Pactel International, both companies in Australia. One more focused on the domestic market, the other one more on the Pacific market. And more recently, Satcoms Australia, which brings us a teleport in Perth and a strong mobility L-band expertise that we think is key for the future growth of our mobility services. So we've spent a lot of time integrating those companies, and it's been going very well and very smoothly. There's still a bit of work to do, but I'm very happy so far with the results. The company has become a major force in the Australia and the Pacific markets, and today, when natural resources customers in that part of the world look for a service provider, I think more and more Speedcast comes to their mind, thanks to the number of people we have on the ground to support them, the infrastructure we've built there. Our maritime business, as I said, has been experiencing tremendous growth. Andre Irland, who's heading that business, and his team are doing a great job to grow that part of the business, and we expect that to continue for the years to come, because we see a very strong pipeline, and we're in a market maritime with a low penetration rate for VSAT, so there is natural growth in that market. So that's pretty exciting.
I hardly dare ask, but what could possibly be next?
Well, I think I've got a bit of a scoop for CommunicAsia TV. CommunicAsia TV. We are announcing today a new acquisition. It's very much in line with what we've done with Satcoms Australia. So we are acquiring an existing partner called Oceanic Broadband. Oceanic Broadband is incorporated in Australia, but the majority of their business is in Papua New Guinea, so in the PNG market. This is an important market for us. It's a sizable market for us in terms of revenues we generate out of PNG today.
It's fast growing, isn't it?
And it is also fast growing. So we really wanted to strengthen our presence there. Oceanic has people on the ground, a teleport in Port Moresby, wireless network in Port Moresby, So we're able to combine services with satellite and wireless. It further extends our capabilities to serve our resources customers in PNG. So again, something that we're thrilled to have achieved, and Oceanic will be quickly and smoothly integrated with the other companies we've acquired in Australia and the Pacific. So ASC, Pactel, and Satcoms, and that group of companies, those 4 companies, together with Oceanic, constitutes, I think, the largest service provider in that part of the world, with fantastic capabilities to service our customers, whether they are government customers, resources customers, or different kinds of mobility customers. So very happy with what we've achieved putting these companies together. I think these companies are companies that I would have dreamt of acquiring, and we managed to achieve that. So that's something we are very excited about, and there may be other things coming in the future, but I need to keep some news and surprises for later.
Okay, well, in the meantime, thanks for sharing that with us, and thanks very much for talking to us.
Thank you, Brian.